All right, everyone, let's dig into Sandbox. Ticker symbol is SAND, S-A-N-D. And I'm liking this asset. This asset, what I'm seeing here, whether you agree with the metaverse stuff or not, that's up to you. But as far as, trading-wise, I'm seeing phenomenal news out of the market and the data and on the charts. So, I mean, while other organizations have completely collapsed, Three Arrows, Capital, Terra, Luna, like all this other and these other lenders and stuff like that. Even though this asset has cratered, I mean, it was already cratering at the beginning of this year, right? So, like, if you had been watching the markets week over week, especially month over month, you would have started to take your chips off the table come this new year, anyways, because the market was already going down. So, yes, the rate of change here from April all the way to June has been significant. Compared to its rise, at least the market has given us some warning, right? Like, and if you held your position from here, from $3 down to where it's at right now, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, sir or ma'am. You just better cut your losses and move on. But now, we're seeing a price floor starting to develop. So, year over year, we're still looking pretty good. I mean, considering the fact that back in 2021, it was 55 cents or whatever. Okay. And then, obviously this year it was a lot higher, but I just see we're setting a new price floor. And I want to go back to 2021 specifically. I mean, I think that's kind of a good reference point for us, because even if it craters, like I said, let's say it craters back down to 5 cents, right? Let's say it does. I think that's even. I don't think the organization would collapse. I mean, I'm pricing that into when I trade this. I always expect to lose all my money, and I just put like a couple percentages into my portfolio. Like, I try to have smaller than 25 positions at a time if I can. Really, if I can, I really never go over 25 different positions ever. I don't even know what I'm talking about. But I have a very concentrated portfolio, maybe 8 to 10 at a time. And this is one of the assets that I'm looking at. I mean, full disclosure, I don't have a position in it, but I'm definitely taking a look at it. Considering the fact that trend is starting to reverse. Can it definitely puke? I think if it pukes, it won't hit 5 cents, but it'll probably puke down to like 20 cents, right? 15 to 20 cents. I mean, it could go to 60 cents and puke, but I want to say I would expect it to, if it did, actually, if it did puke, at least drop it by half, so about 60 cents, right? It's definitely possible to go under 60, like 20 cents would be kind of like my next range that I would be considering for a price floor. But so far, the market is showing we have a new price floor, bounced off 88 cents roughly. Intraday went a little bit lower to 74 cents, it looks like. But since then, now we're at $1.26. I mean, shoot, dude, that's almost 50% gain right there. Almost. I'm just rounding up, a kind of heavy round up. But still, nonetheless, I want to see this trading range kind of build out, from around 90 cents. Probably not going to go that high. Probably, let's see, not even $2. 90 cents to about, I would say about $1.50. About $1.50. About $1.50. Nah, not $1.50. About $1.70. Probably $1.70, right? That might be my new price point. So to me, if I took a position in it, I want it to close down on probably $1.20, closer to $1.15 if it starts to really drop off. Again, I wouldn't take a position until middle to late August. I just want to see how this thing develops. But that's me personally. But I think this asset's setting a new price floor. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about Sandbox? Is it going to go hard in the paint? Is it going to puke? Let me know. Let's go and get these gains.